Fatim Ali, back in Fatim Ali's kitchen. So today in Fatim Ali's kitchen we've got you prawn sauce. We're going to make prawn sauce in Gambian style. We call it Sipa sauce, you know. And we've got our prawn all nice and clean here. As you can see, every bit is out. And we're going to do it with these onions here, 4 large onions, you know. And then we've got garlic here, lots of garlic with our prawn sauce. And we've got 1 tube of tomato paste because we're going to make a red one, but I'm going to only use half of that. And I've got 1 prawn onga, and then a salt, a pepper, and a red chili pepper, a teaspoon of each. Okay, so that's going in our sauce as well. So in the meantime, I'm going to put the prawn on the side there. And then I'm going to slice these onions and put them in here. We're going to do slices today, guys. We finished with the onions. We're going to do the garlic now. Give them a nice little chunky small slices, just like that. And then we go on and just kind of also, guys, these are frozen garlic, but I took them out and then soaked them in cold water for a little bit. That's why the color looks a little bit weird. When you finish, just go on with your knife and just gently roll it on the garlic so that they go a little bit small, just like that. Prawn loves garlic. Alright, that's about that. Okay, now let's start. So guys, let's start. Okay, so we're going to leave them to fry for a little bit, about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, that has fried a little bit now. Prawn loves water, especially when it's frozen. But we're not going to panic. We're just going to go and add our garlic. The whole garlic goes in. To mix all of that together. Okay, we will leave this one also to fry for a couple of minutes before we move on. Okay guys, if you see how that garlic has all fried in this prawns until it's all brown. So we're going to go on and add our tomato. Like I said, we don't want to add all of it. And then I'm going to give that a stir. This Sipa is going to be nice. This Sipa sauce. I can smell it already. We're not going to keep this one for too long, and then we will add our onion in. because we don't want the onion to all break in it too much. That's why we did the onion last. You know, it's nice when you're munching, you get your mouth on that crunch onion. It's nice. Stir all of these together as well very nicely. So at this point it's all about stirring. Don't you worry guys, that onion will all disappear just like the garlic. So guys, did you see what I was telling you about the onions? They all cooked well, and now we're going to add our seasonings, and then I'm going to add the onga prawn. Bowl a stir again. Alright, so guys, I'm going to add that much of water into it. Give it another good stir. Okay, so now we're going to leave all of these to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, that's it. Guys, our Sipa sauce is ready, aka prawn sauce, and it's smelling. I can't wait to have it. You're all invited, guys. That looks amazing. And it tastes wonderful. Oh dear. You're all invited, and I'm going to turn that gas fully off now, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with this baguette here, guys. You watch me. Now you turn around there. Guys, see what I'm going to do here. So guys, how much sauce do you want in your baguette?
10 pounds.
Tell me, how much sauce do you want in your this nice fresh baguette? If you tell me, I will do it for you just right now, sir. I'm gonna cut this in threes. Because we're not in Gambia, we use a pound, so every one of them will be a 10 pound. Okay guys? It'll be 10 pound. So tell me how much you want, and I'll do that for you. Right, let's do this. Right, okay. Somebody want 10 pound here, so I'm gonna sauce it for them. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. That is a nice, lovely breakfast coming your way. Okay, one's done. Another one want a tenner. Wow. Lovely. I want a tenner as well. I cooked it, so I'm gonna make mine even a little bit fancier. Is that fair? It is, isn't it? Good. Right, so there you have it. We've got 3 10 pounds here, one for each. So guys, that's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. I hope you enjoy watching it, and if you do, please put your thumbs up to like. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe. If you subscribe, we'll come to your door and make you a very nice breakfast or lunch or dinner, your choice. Okay guys? Also don't forget to click that notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy our lovely breakfast before it gets cold. We love you. We'll see you again in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.